Welcome to Success EduTech. I hope you all are very good. Okay, so uh, I have taught you group 13 elements P block, and now I shall tell about the group 14 elements. Okay, so what is the element which consists in group 14? Then after their electronic configuration and ionization enthalpy and many properties. Then after physical properties and chemical properties. So let's start. Okay, introduction and properties of 4a means group 14 uh, group elements. Okay, so group 14 elements. Okay, so in group 13 we have seen that बोरोन एल्युमिनियम गैलियम इंडियम थैलियम जो बाल गंगा इंडियन तिलक अपन बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड ग्रुप 14 इसको बोलते हैं अपन कौन सी गीस नौ प्यारे बाबू. ओके, सो कॉपर सिलिकॉन जर्मेनियम. ओके, then after S17 plumbum. Okay, so let's start. Okay, properties of 4a elements. First of all, electronic configuration. So carbon, as you know, atomic number of carbon is 6. So electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p2. Okay, so outermost orbit always belongs to 4 number of electrons 4. Okay, as you can see also in that silicon 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p2. Okay, so outermost orbit is what? Third orbital. And third orbital में कितने electrons हैं? 3s2 3p2 2 to 4. Okay, so always for a group belongs to 4 number of electron in outermost cell. Okay, germanium you can see 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 n plus l हुंस रूल इसमें लगता है. जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वो अपन सीखेंगे जब हुंस रूल पढ़ेंगे. ओके, 3s2 3d10 4s2 and 4p2. Okay, so you can see in this electronic configuration also 4 number of electrons are present in their outermost cell. Now first one is electronic configuration. You are seeing electronic configuration. कार्बन देख लिया, सिलिकॉन देख लिया, जर्मन देख लिया. अब देखिए 3 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 जो भी है. फिर outermost orbital में देखिए आप 4s2 and 4p2. Okay, sorry, 5s2 and 5p2. So number of outermost electron 4. Okay, so you can see that always n electronic configuration is ns2 and np2. Okay, so that ki 2 plus 2 4 electrons will be present in their available in their outermost cell. Then after pb 1s2 2s2 इसी तरह 6s2 and 6p2. ns2 np2 है तो वो 6s2 6. Okay, अब देखते हैं abundance. Abundance of these elements in the earth's crust is silicon, carbon, tin, plumbum and germanium. Okay, so occurrence abundance देख लिए. जो सबसे ज़्यादा abundance किसका है अर्थ में मन यहाँ पे पाया जाता है सिलिकॉन. सिलिकॉन इज द मोस्ट abundant. जैसा कि ये एक सेमीकंडक्टर का ग्रुप है. आई थिंक कि सेमीकंडक्टर सबसे मतलब सिलिकॉन सबसे ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं फोर्थ ए ग्रुप में. ओके, कार्बन एग्जिस्ट इन एलिमेंटल स्टेट एंड ऑल्सो इन देयर कंबाइंड स्टेट. ओके, ये बात ट्रूथ है एग्जैक्टली. जैसे आप यू कैन से दैट इफ यू विल take some amount of methane, in methane, ethane and carbonic compound, the compound which consists carbon always. Okay, carbonic compound without help of carbon it can't be form. Okay, so carbon exists in elemental state. C is pure elemental state, and their isotopes are diamond and graphites. Okay, and fluorines also. So these are the isotopes of carbon. And carbon exists in elemental state and also in their combined state. Silicon exists as silica and silicates. Okay, silicon बिल्कुल जो अपन सैंड में जो देखते हैं चमकता हुआ ब्राइटनेस शाइनिंग, वो सिलिकॉन. और सिलिका से सिलिका ग्लास भी होता है, बहुत कुछ होता है. तो सिलिकॉन एग्जिस्ट एज सिलिका एंड सिलिकेट्स. ओके, SiO4 2 माइनस. ओके, टीन एग्जिस्ट एज कैसेटराइट और टीन स्टोन. ओके, SnO2. एंड लीड एग्जिस्ट एज गेलेना PbS. बहुत वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ये है और है लीड का. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑलवेज lead exists are galena PbS and kerosite, okay, PbCO3. PbCO3 is not much important, but PbS always must be remembered, okay, because in many examination, JEE mains or many state competitive exam, they will always ask that और रिलेटेड मेटलर्जी चैप्टर एक आती है, वो सारे ओर्स इसमें पाए जाते हैं, जैसे उसमें जो रोस्टिंग कैल्सिनेशन करके जितने भी ओर होते हैं, तो लीड का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक ओर है PbS गैलेना, जिसका कॉमन नेम है, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर। हाँ, सेकेंड वन इज एटॉमिक और आयोनिक रेडियस, ओके, सो इन ग्रुप you can see the concept must be crystal and clear that in always group from top to bottom, atomic radius or ionic radius will be increased, okay. So you can see here data is also given: carbon 7, silicon 118, germanium 122, and tin 140 and 146, okay. So carbon is 77 basically, not 7, and plumbum 146, okay. So down the group, atomic size increases with increase in atomic number due to the addition of new cells, obviously. If cell will be जैसे NH2 NP2 होता था electronic configuration, so 1s2 1 2s2 2p2, okay, 3s2 3p2, then after 4s2 4p2, 5s2 5p2, 6s2 6p2, so nh2 and p2 basically electronic configuration. So you can see that on the group atomic charge increases with increasing atomic number due to the addition of new shells. Now we shall see ionization enthalpy, okay. So ionization in energy basically decreases with increasing atomic radius, basically down the group it will be decrease always. So carbon 1086 data is given, provided silicon 786, germanium 761, tin 708, and plumbum lead 715, okay. So cation, okay, radically because electrons become more loosely held due to shielding by inner electrons of the inner shells, okay. So ionization enthalpy decreases from carbon to Sn and marginally increases for plumbum, okay. C has highest I in 4a group, so you must remember IP order: carbon, silicon, germanium, Pb, and Sn, okay. And fourth one is electron negativity. So electron negativity basically decreases from carbon to silicon, but from silicon to Sn remains almost constant and marginally increases for Pb. The tendency of an electron to the electron towards itself, okay. So basically here definition is given: elements is provided and En value is also provided: C 2.5, Si 1.8, Ge 1.8, Sn 1.8, and Pb 1.9, basically some little bit increases for plumbum. And therefore carbon is the most electron negativity element among 4a or group 14th element, okay. So these four properties are given, and you will I hope you all have learnt these four properties, and from next class we shall discuss about the physical properties of 4a group elements. So thank you very much. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe the Success EduTech channel.